Bossam is really traditional. We use a kind of leaf like cabbage leaf or lettuce, and we wrap all different ingredients in this leaf, like oyster, pork belly, some kimchi, and you wrap it and you eat it in one bite. I made a special gastronomic version. I just wrapped the oyster in Chinese cabbage leaf with a little bit of kimchi. I use the pork belly, but probably one of the best one. It's Iberico Bellota, really fatty, but I cook it for around 20 hours. It means really soft. And I add a little twist. In Europe, we use a lot of butter, and I create a special mousseline made with yuzu juice, and I put a little bit, some drop of this mousseline on the dish. It means you have some freshness of the kimchi and the vegetables, and you have this kind of fattiness of the butter. We have to start to blanch all the vegetables and the oyster. I have to cut, and just to preserve soft leaves. In the meantime, I would like to show you the ingredients for mousseline. This is butter, a little bit of yuzu juice, white egg, and salt. First, I have to melt butter. Here is 200 grams. When the butter is melting, I have to add the juice and white egg and just emulsify. And I have a really light cream. And you can see this is the boccoletti we just harvested earlier. Nice green. We have to let them in this iced water. This is cabbage leaf, really soft, and we save the color. And I have to show you for oyster. Oyster sometimes is really difficult to open. If you don't have, if you are not used to do it, it's really difficult. And I give you a tips. You can dip them in warm water for a few seconds, and after let them in iced water. And it's really easy to open, and the oyster is really nice, not flat, really large up. Water is boiling, and I pour all the oyster on. One thing is really important now, it's to let them cold. Up. So, I'll show you. Sometimes people want to open by this side, but the feed of the oyster is there. And maybe it seems difficult to do it, but after to cook them for a few seconds, it's really easy. You have to find the door, and you have to cut the feet like this. Next step, we have to roll oyster inside a cabbage leaf. Take the oyster. Next step, we have to prepare mousseline. Here is the melting butter. Up, white egg. I'll just add all the ingredients. Really easy, huh? And salt. Up. And you have to mix. In the meantime, I would like to put this pork belly in the oven at 90 degrees around 15 minutes.